बच्चों, let us look into the question. The question says the packaging of chromatin. The packaging of chromatin at higher level requires additional set of protein that are collectively referred to as. Now, the key concept that we will be discussing, key concept, it is nucleosome and further condensation. Let us look into it. First of all, what is nucleosome? Nucleosome is basically the DNA that is wounded around this histone. Now, how this DNA gets stable on this histone, that is octamer, because DNA has negative charge and histone has positive charge. Histone has positive charge due to the presence of amino acid in abundance. They are amino acid, lysine and arginine. They have a basic side chain. And DNA is negative due to the presence of phosphate group, phosphate moiety. So they form a stable structure together, and that is called as nucleosome. ऑलराइट, सो जब भी ये न्यूक्लियोसोम का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है, उसके आगे व्हाट हैपेंस, और टिपिकल न्यूक्लियोसोम इट कंटेन्स अराउंड 200 बेस पेयर ऑफ डीएनए. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जब ये कई सारे न्यूक्लियोसोम, एन नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोसोम, when it condenses to nucleosome, when it condenses to form chromatin, तो हमें एक स्टेज देखने को मिलता है, दैट इज बीड्स ऑन स्ट्रिंग. बीड्स ऑन स्ट्रिंग. आफ्टर दैट जो कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस होता है, जो पैकेजिंग होती है डीएनए की, दैट इज फैसिलिटेटेड बाय सम other sets of additional protein. And what is this? Is the accessory, this is the necessary set of protein, right? Apart from that, एक additional set of protein काम आती है for the packaging of the DNA. Additional set of protein, and these additional set of protein are called as non-histone protein, non-histone chromosome protein, which is represented by NHC, which this is the additional set जो कि पैकेजिंग में मदद आती है. किसकी पैकेजिंग में? पैकेजिंग of DNA into more condensed form, more condensed form. ये तो पूरा प्रोसेस था, how nucleosome binding take place and how the packaging reaches to the level of this chromosome, where it is very intricately, the DNA is condensed, is present in the condensed form. It is very intricately present in a condensed form. Now let us check the option. जब हम ऑप्शन की बात करते हैं, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द पैकेजिंग ऑफ क्रोमैटिन at higher level requires an additional set of protein that are collectively histone protein, non-histone protein, acidic packaging protein, basic protein. तो हमने देखा कि बेसिक प्रोटीन जिसको हम रेफर कर रहे हैं वो हिस्टोन प्रोटीन का ही दूसरा नाम है, क्योंकि बेसिक प्रोटीन, हिस्टोन की हमने बात की कि इनमें बेसिक अमाइनो एसिड पाए जाते हैं, यानी कि जिनके साइड चेन में अमोनियम आयन का प्रेजेंस हो, दैट इज अ बेसिक अमाइनो एसिड. Apart from that, presence in a basic way. Apart from that, acidic packaging protein. Acidic protein is not present in this DNA. और जब हम बात करते हैं ऑप्शन बी की, ऑप्शन बी says non-histone protein, तो these are the additional set of protein that help in the packaging of chromatin at higher level. So we can conclude कि option B is the right answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.